Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Footwear Fashion Palace, and I'm here with my another video. My This video is about some flat slippers which are very comfortable and very as well as they're very pretty. And as you see, this one is also a very nice kind of pink color flats which looks really nice. And watch this video till the end, then you will get some ideas about different kind of flats that can help you to upgrade the collection of your footwears and make it more interesting, more beautiful and more pretty. And don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. Flat slipper are a comfortable and practical choice for logging around the house. They provide a soft, cushioned surface for the feet, making them perfect for relaxing after a long day. With their flat design, they are easy to slip on and off and can be worn with a variety of outfits from casual logwear to cozy pajamas, and many flat slippers also feature non-slip soles, providing traction and stability on smooth floors. Whether you're running errands around the house, watching TV, or simply lounging around, flat slippers are a great option for keeping your feet comfortable and relaxed. They come in a range of styles and materials, from plush fleece to soft suede, ensuring there's a pair to suit every taste and preference. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So today's video is about to end. See you in the next YouTube video. So bye bye and take care.